You look
Whoa.
really good.
You look better than me.
Nice. This turned out really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like it?
There's nothing that we can't do, and I'll be alright. I'll be alright as long as I'm with you. I feel like I can see clearly, understanding sincerely. My love is dearly, no cloud above is dreary. Eagle is soaring and lions are roaring. Earth and its glory, we're writing a story, and the willows are weeping.
Kristine, from the moment I met you, my life has been a journey filled with love, laughter, and countless adventures. Over the past 8 years, you show me what it means to truly love and care for someone. Your loving nature, keen intellect, limitless energy, and bubbly personality has been a constant source of inspiration. I vow to always be by your side and support you in every dream and endeavor you pursue, just as you've been supporting me in pursuing mine. I promise to keep exploring new countries with you, be your partner in crime on our adventures, and to try my absolute best to watch every movie you introduce me to, no matter how slow or complex the plot is, without falling asleep. Together, we built a life full of excitement and discovery, and I can't wait to continue that journey with you. I promise to embrace your quirks and cherish every moment we share. Here's to a future as bright and joyful as the love we built. I love you more deeply than words can express, and I'm thrilled for the next chapter of our lives that awaits us. I love you.
We'll look for a savior, begin a new chapter, and we'll look towards the after. I can hear laughter, and it's climbing up faster. All the world is turning, new lessons I'm learning, feeding my soul, so here we go. Feel the sunlight shine, I can see everything, I can see everything. Open my eyes, 'cause there's nothing that we can't do, and I'll be alright as long as I'm with you.
Jimmy, you filled my life with laughter, adventure, and a love I never thought possible. With you, I can be the truest version of myself. I vow to cherish every moment with you, except when you're watching hockey, to support your dreams, no matter how broy, to be your biggest fan. I will always laugh with you, dream with you, and face life's challenges by your side. I love you more than words can express.
I'm wide awake and living, I'm wide awake and living, I'm wide awake and living, I'm wide awake and living. I live the life I'm giving, I live the life I'm giving, I live the life I'm giving, I live the life I'm giving. Feel the sunlight shine, I can see everything, I can see everything.